Smoothies can be an easy and convenient way to consume a variety of fruits. However, eating a whole fruit is completely different than blending it. Don't get me wrong. Blending fruits to make smoothies is not inherently bad, but there are some potential downsides to consider. 1. Loss of fiber. Blending fruits can break down some of the fiber, which may decrease the feeling of fullness and impact digestion. Whole fruits generally provide more intact fiber, contributing to better blood sugar control and digestive health. 2. Faster sugar absorption. Since the fiber in fruits is partially broken down during blending, the sugars in the fruit can be absorbed more rapidly, potentially leading to spikes in blood sugar levels. This may be a concern for people with diabetes or those trying to manage their blood sugar levels. 3. Overconsumption of calories and sugar. Smoothies can be calorie-dense, especially if they contain large amounts of fruit, added sweeteners, or high-calorie ingredients like nut butter or yogurt. It's easier to consume more calories and sugar in liquid form than in whole fruit form, potentially leading to weight gain or increased sugar intake. 4. Oxidation and nutrient loss. The blending process exposes fruits to air, which can cause some nutrient loss due to oxidation. 5. Decreased satiety. Drinking a smoothie may not be as satisfying as eating whole fruits, because the act of chewing and the time it takes to eat whole fruits can trigger signals in brain contributing to a feeling of fullness. Ultimately, both methods can be part of a healthy diet. However, be mindful that consuming whole fruits offers the benefits of intact fiber and may be more satisfying, helping with portion control and overall calorie intake. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.